In this video, we will show you the best protein powder for gain weight and how to use it for maximum weight gain. Optimum Nutrition Whey Protein is the best whey protein powder available in the market. And after a lot of research and feedbacks, we have reached in this conclusion. Because this is the safest and most trusted whey protein brand around the globe. At first, we will tell you some unique features of this whey protein, and then we will show you how to gain maximum weight by this protein powder. Before starting, subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our future updates. Optimum Nutrition Whey Protein have 100% protein whey. Not even a single pinch of protein from another source. One scoop of 31 grams contains 24 grams of protein, 1 gram sugar and 1 gram fat. Whatever your goal is, weight gain, weight loss or build muscle, this is the most trusted whey protein till date. If you want to buy this, please find the best buy link in the description. Now we will show you a simple recipe with this whey protein powder, by which you can gain at least 10 pounds in a week. To make this whey protein shake, ingredients you will need: 1 glass whole milk, half cup cashews and raisins, 1 cup oats, 2 bananas, 3 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 scoop ice cream and 2 scoop whey protein. Total 1253 calories. Blend all the ingredients and drink. You can add some ice for chill taste. Consume this daily for a week in breakfast or after workout, and you will start seeing the result. You can easily gain 10 pounds in a week. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To get more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.